All right, in today's lesson here, we're going to take a look at an integral here. We got the integral of 1 plus 2x to the power of 2022 divided by x plus x to the power of 2023. Take the integral of that with respect to x. So first thing we want to do here is you want to make the observation that you've kind of do have some symmetry here in this expression, and in that remember that when you're taking, if you have y equals the ln of x, you know the derivative, in this case y prime is 1 over x. So we sort of have that kind of going on here. I want to use that to my advantage. I'm just going to break this up a bit so we can sort of do that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and write this as the integral of, in this case, 1 plus 2023x to the power of 2022 minus 2021x to the power of 2022, all divided by x plus x to the 2023, and we'll take that with respect to x. So again, what I've done here is I've just rewritten that 2 as 2023 minus 2021, all to the same power, in this case x to the 2022. And the reason I did that is because now we can break this up, and this will be the integral of 1 plus 2023 x to the 2022 over x plus x to the 2023. That'll be with respect to x minus the integral of 2021x to the 2022 over, again, x plus the same thing. Now, once we have this, we make the observation the derivative of the denominator here is exactly equal to the top. So that means that the integral of this expression with respect to x must equal the ln of the absolute value of x plus x to the 20. And now with this one here, this expression here, I'm going to factor an x out of this here. You'll notice that we have a common factor of x here, here, and here. I can take that out and simplify this integral. This will end up being the integral of 2021x to the 2021 all over 1 plus x to the 2022. And again, that's with respect to x here. So continuing this strategy again, we'll make the observation that the derivative of the bottom is fairly close to the derivative of the top. The exponents do line up. If I take the derivative of the bottom, I'm going to get 2022x to the 2021 to the power of that. So I'm just going to adjust this a bit so we get cancellation here. This is going to be again, we've got our integral taken care of here. And I'm going to factor out that 2021, and I'm going to put it over 2022, and then I'm going to take the integral of, I'll insert that 2022 here. So now you make the observation that this expression right here, the integral of 2022 x to the 2021 all over 1 plus this. If I take my derivative, I'm going to get, derivative of the bottom is going to be 2022, which we have, and then you subtract one of the exponents, you'll get that. So this is actually equal to our ln when you take your integral here. So this is the integral of absolute value of x plus x to the 2023 minus, again, this expression we factored out, to the ln of the absolute value of 1 plus x to the 2022, and then we'll add a constant term c here. So we're almost there. We can clean this up a bit. We'll make the observation here. I can factor an x out of this, so this will end up being the ln of, in this case, you're going to get x times 1 plus x to the 2022 minus like what we have before here, plus that constant term. And again, you're taking the product of two expressions using my logarithmic properties. This is absolute value of ln of x plus the ln of absolute value of 1 plus x to the 2022 minus actually the exact same thing here, so we can clean this up again. Again, plus that constant term c. And now you'll see here I have a common factor here. I've got this expression, which I can combine with this expression here. So simplifying this, we get the ln of the absolute value of x plus 1 over 2022, the ln of 1 plus x to the 2022 plus that constant term c. And we can see here the integral of this expression right here ends up becoming the ln of the absolute value of x plus 1 over 2022 to the ln of absolute value of 1 plus x to the 2022 plus that constant value c. All right, I just thought I'd take up a quick integral question here. Thank you.